This video might run a little long. I've got a lot to say about this car. It's awesome. A 1967 Mustang, complete, taken down to a bare shell, rebuilt from the bottom up, all the upgrades, high performance 302, 5-speed, posi, four-wheel disc, air condition. And I tell you, it is dialed in. I swear to you, it is dialed in. I literally drove this car from morning till night, and I could not find one thing that didn't function and operate properly. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale, each with a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, it was a beautiful day. I had my grandson, like, what's happened to this Mustang? It just come in and we had to run some errands. We loved it so much. We just kept driving. My daughter got off work, Shelby. She hopped in her pink Mustang convertible, and I hopped in this with my grandson. And we went out to dinner. The sun went down. We had the top down. It got a little cool. We turned the heated seats on. They worked. Fantastic. So anyway, it has the fiberglass Shelby style scooped hood, nice clean fenders, all straight, all smooth. The gaps are right on the money as the Shelby scoops. All this looks beautiful. Has the dovetail Shelby trunk lid and end caps, all looking really nice. The lower valance is straight. So we're looking at the body. It's a fiberglass trunk lid. You wouldn't know it. It's smooth, shiny, straight, fits nice. Look at down the side of the car. It's red glass. This is all beautiful. Look at the gaps. Spot on. Jams are all painted slick. All beautiful, clean, straight, nice body. It's painted in a 2015 Corvette red. It's a nice bright red. We have pictures on our website of this thing sitting on a cradle, literally just a shell of a body, stripped down to nothing. Front bumpers look like they're tucked in nice and tight. No bumper bolts. Body colored. Has the black stripes all the way down. Has this nice air scoop. Has a spoiler. Blacked out grille with the Shelby style or Shelby emblems. Looks like upgraded halogen headlights. The running lights are white, and then when you use the turn signal, then they turn to amber. Shelby emblem. The stainless has been polished. The windshield looks to be real nice. Probably those little bugs are from me. Sorry. Has the bullet mirrors. The vent window frame's original, in good shape. Door handles look new. The rubber seals have been replaced. It's a power top. It's a black cloth top, the German canvas, nice and rich looking. All the weather strips replaced. You can see a picture of that on our website. Has the Shelby style taillights. This bumper's tucked right into the body. Again, the gap is right on the money. And then check this out. These are reverse lights. See them down here in the bumper? Reverse lights. The valance is cut out for the exhaust. Shelby style gas cap. And then it's sitting on the Magnum style wheels with Shelby centers and spinner knockoffs. Michelin Pilot Sport tires. So all the tires and wheels are looking really good. They do not rub at all. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. All right, to open the trunk, they remove the key. And there's an easy cable. You just pull it very gently and the trunk pops open. You've seen that. He has nice inserts under the trunk lid, painted red, cadmium bolts, new weather strip. The jam's painted nice. It's all boxed, carpeted floor. There's this nice Mustang logo. When the top is up, this can push up out of the way, but new well liner. This is a boot for the convertible top. The backside's all upholstered. So nice, clean, and complete. And there's a car cover sitting over here. That'll go with it. I'll throw that back in the trunk. So again, I've driven a lot of cars. I will say this is in the top 3 of all the cars I've driven as far as functioning spot on. The jams are painted nice. The weather strips are replaced. Inside metal is painted red, and then the armrest, door panels, window cranks, and handles were replaced. It has a new dash pad. Pretty much original style gauges. All the bezels are replaced. It does have a tachometer snuck in there in the middle. The metal's all painted. AC vents were put in. These are the AC controls. This is your heated seat. There's one for each side. They work. I can verify that. More AC vents. Kick panel speakers. Nice red carpet with Cobra mats. Touch screen Bluetooth stereo. I had my phone Bluetooth. We were listening to tunes all day. Backup camera. A 5-speed shifter. Shifts great all day long. We got cup holders. Nice console is all upholstered and red stitched with the armrest. Looks like TMI seats with the Alcantara trim, red stitching. Nice comfortable sporty seats. Same thing back here, nice red carpet, mats, TMI seats, got red seat belts, we got speakers behind the upholstery. And for up front, you got 3-point retractable seat belts. Then the visors are replaced and the mirrors replaced. And this nice leather grip Shelby style wheel on a tilt column. So yeah, just a nice interior, comfortable, functional. So I literally just got off the phone with the gentleman we bought the car from, and he built the car. Here's my notes I scribbled as I was talking to him. He's also very confident in his car. He drove it on a power tour. He loves building the cars. His wife is not a car person, so when she gets in the car with him, it better function like a new car. That's why he dials them in like he does. And she even said, that felt like a real car, she called it. So that is a 302 that's been bored 30 over, dyno tuned at 389 horsepower. It's a complete roller motor. Keith Black pistons, 10-to-1 compression, balanced and blueprinted. Aluminum heads with big valves and ports. Edelbrock intake. Phytech fuel injection underneath there. Nice Ford Racing valve covers. We got headers with the heat wrap around them. Smoothed out firewall. Everything you can see is all painted real nice with polished hardware. Optima battery. Custom front panel right here. The stripe continues right through. Big aluminum radiator. It never got hot on me. He swears you can sit a 100-degree day with the air on. You can sit in traffic as long as you want to. It'll never go over 180. He just told me that with confidence. Electric fan, all the premium hose fittings. The AC is hidden down underneath there. You got a chrome alternator. We got the serpentine belt, a polished water pump, the Borgeson power steering. That's a big improvement. Looks like a flamethrower distributor. Look how the wires are all run neatly. Got an overflow bottle for the radiator. And then it's looks like a hydro boost type power brake system. Got Motorcraft oil filter. So it's got everything you need, neatly installed, looks beautiful, has the extra support bar. Michael's going to take you for a ride, and we'll see you in a few minutes. So the whole underbody is painted the same gloss red. It's all metal. It's better than it when it left the factory. He welded in frame rails that keeps all the power and torque from twisting this convertible body. In addition to that, he added a lot of extra welds to the factory welds, and with the support bar, everything was to keep it from twisting and handle better and just be a tighter car. He says you can lift this on a lift, and normally the door gaps would open on a convertible. He said this one won't budge. So a solid body. Wheelwood disc brakes at all 4 wheels. You might have noticed there's a knob under the dash. This has electric emergency brake, and that works. You turn the knob and the e-brake comes on. Custom dual exhaust system with Flow Monster mufflers. Not Flow Master, they're Flow Monster. with the polished tips going out the back. Fuel system was all replaced, upgraded for the fuel injection system. Steering and suspension was all redone. I believe it's got lowering springs. It has Coney gas shocks. You look up at the motor, it's a extra capacity, big polished oil pan, a high torque starter. It's a 5-speed transmission. He said completely rebuilt, so new clutch and everything. In back, it's painted gloss black. It's a Ford 9-inch. He said everything inside is new. It's a 350 True Track gears in there, so that's a posi. So fantastic car. Drive it anywhere. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Mustang delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.